Yes, please. I have cited the analysis of particular clause of 280 with reference to some supporting law. Supporting law. And supporting law is the spirit and soul of the constitution of the system of law. Without the supporting, if one is just citing anything, this have no authority, no authority. Therefore, I am just cited the 73 amendment, 74th amendment of 1992, which relate to include some other duties of the Finance Commission, and these duties are the duties prescribed under this B and B, as you have seen, and C also. And one choice also be given to the president, means that to the executive head of the union. That is clause D, which says that apart from the above, it has not been written, but the language which is written, it says that may other matters referred to the commission by the president. May other matters means any other matters, any other matters. It means it is not a exhaustive, it is not a complete list of duty. It depends on the discretion, need of the particular time, what matter should be forwarded. It depends only on the president, that is the executive. This is clear. But these are the basic duties. But apart from these duties, the sole discretion was given by the constitution makers to the president as a executive head. That is the point. Then come the another aspect. This is analysis, as you have seen, that how the analysis of a particular aspect can be placed before any court and before the any authority where one is writing the research paper. Your object, if you want to enter into the educational domain, your habit should be to write the research paper. Some students are writing to me, sir, I have no habit to research paper, that's why I am sending all the rubbish type of material you for your evaluation. I am a teacher for you, and my duty is to give the idea, but don't include your idea if you have no idea. If you have no idea, you can ask why a teacher is here. I am just watching the situation. The students are improving their habit. If they are continuously attending the classes, if they are seriously doing the assignment, whatever assignment has been given to them, they are improving their habit. I know, and I am in full confidence that the student will get the expertise in this field very soon. At least 70% student, because this is the eyes of a teacher, will get the expertise, much expertise, though there is no limit for that. The fourth clause, which it says that the commission shall determine their procedure and shall have such powers in the performance of their functions as Parliament may by law confers on them. The clause 4 says two things. One, the procedure of function, the work of the commission. Who will decide it? The procedure means the rules. Who will make the rules? The rules shall be made only by commission. This is one point, not by Parliament, not by executive. The rule making power under this clause is given to the commission. Commission shall frame its procedure, means when and how, listing all these things, and what kind of what will be the quorum, and what will be the procedure of meeting, all these things of the notice, all these things. This is called the procedural system, and the power is given to whom? To the commission itself to make the rule. That is somehow different. Somehow different. It is just like the Article 145 of the Constitution, where it has said that the Supreme Court shall have the power to make the rules for own procedure, means the system and listing and all these things. This is also given, in such type of power is also given to the Finance Commission for laying down or for framing of the rules for procedure only. But performance of their function, how they will perform their function, this is again power was given to the Parliament. This is the Parliament power, as it has given under clause 4. Therefore, the analysis says that the clause 4 can be divided into two parts. One is in the hand of the Finance Commission. Another is goes to the power of the Parliament also. And then Parliament, then what is the adjective of this clause? One place it is their procedure, means procedure of Finance Commission. They will lay it down. But functioning system, that the functions that shall be laid down by this aspect of the clause 4. One has unmuted, then I have disturbed. Have you seen? This is very bad, please. This is very bad. Very bad. Why unmuting? Whereas I have written the mute of all. Disturbance is very serious in a study or in an experiment. Okay, these are the clauses under the 280, and you have seen the correlationship with the other provisions. And that, please, off your video. Why such type of things they are doing? Otherwise, don't attend it. I will not admit. Then the point is related to it is a technology, because I'm getting some disturbance. Okay, now a summary discussion of 281, and 281 is related to the recommendation given by the Finance Commission, and these Finance Commission's recommendation, what kind of recommendation shall be there? This is a point. And under the provision of the Constitution number 1, the recommendation shall be given by the Finance Commission under the provisions of the Constitution. What is the meaning of this sentence which is written under the 281? 281 has only single language, no clauses are there. But within the Constitution means what is prescribed under clause 3 of the 280. And clause 3 of the 280 is related to the duties. It means the recommendation shall be given by the Finance Commission only on the duties which has fulfilled by, or the functions which has been completed by the Finance Commission. See the language. As per the Constitution, it has not required to quote the every clause every time. As per the Constitution, if we will use this word before the Honorable High Court, the court will give the emphasis and will give the attention on it, and that attention will be always a matter of the very interesting aspect. Therefore, it says that Finance Commission shall recommend as per the provision of the Constitution, means this clause 3, and explanatory memorandum that was in debate also. And the Kamath member has suggested that there should be the explanatory note. He has written explanatory note, but here it has written under 281 the explanatory memorandum. Constituent Assembly, that was the debate. He has suggested that explanatory note shall be written by the Finance Commission. Means these are the recommendation and then explanation clause will also be there. Note word was there, NOT note word was there, but here the word which has incorporated by the member of the Constituent Assembly, they have changed it and it is written the memorandum of explanation. Then please, what is the meaning of this explanation? Explanation is a clause in particular legal provisions. It may be the Constitution, it may be the any other legal provision of any other act or statutes, whatever is there, name may be called, and that is called the aspect of the system. We say that if explanation means if anything is written above means in the text, it requires to clear it, and it's expansion of that recommendation, that text which is written there, that is called explanation clause. In a law, it is a subject matter of interpretation, but here, because of the region, but I will not cite again the explanation, the memorandum shall also be written by the Finance Commission before submitting the report to whom? To basically of the President. Then next will be with the object that the action shall be taken thereon. The word is very clear that what will be in explanation note. There will be the object of the Finance Commission, the action shall be taken on the recommendation. It will be one of the part of explanation memorandum as written under article 281, then to be laid before the each house of parliament. Okay. Again, it shows the supremacy of parliament. Supremacy of parliament, the intention, object of the constitution makers was whatever the recommendation shall be given by the commission, Finance Commission, the absolute power shall not be given to the executive. The matter what can be referred, that is the power of executive. I have said in the beginning, that is the power of executive, what matters shall be referred. But after receiving the recommendation from the Finance Commission by the Finance Commission by the President to implement that recommendation, have no special kind of the power to accept it, but it shall be laid before the floor of the parliament of both the houses. It means the power is given to the, unless the parliament shall not approve, the recommendation shall not be applied. It will not be enforced unless the parliament. This is the spirit of, even if the express provision under Article 281, please. Then the question, if this will over again, I will enter into third part and the third aspect of this system, because it requires to be completed today, and from tomorrow we will enter into the unit 3rd of paper 3rd, that is trade and commerce. It starts from 301 I will not forward you any note. Be ready for that at 8, the trade and commerce, and go through that one. Constituent Assembly debate also. And cases, various cases. But think over this genesis and growth of these two articles. Just I am citing very quickly, so that you may be in position to understand that how it can be understood and what should be surveyed and what should be searched to apply the judicious legal mind. Of course, we are the student. Judicious world is totally different, and we have the legal mind. How the legal mind can be developed and how it should be applied in a matter. The genesis, basically the 5th December 1947, a expert committee constituted by the draft committee. Expert committee is totally different from the draft committee. Draft committee was there, Constitution Draft Committee, then Constituent Assembly was there. But there were the various expert committees whenever it requires, and the power was given to the chairman to appoint the expert. Therefore, for the detailed analysis and reports on the Finance Commission, an expert committee was constituted by whom? By the draft, because it has placed to the draft committee on the 5th December 1947. Then what is the recommendation of that expert committee to what provisions or what system, legal system, can be incorporated under these articles? Because it was the draft article of 260. Perhaps it is the draft constitution of 260, and that is the debate is available in the volume 9, page number 308 to 3010. As I have said, that the reference it requires to be given by every student every time, and that reference to develop the reference citing by the student. Yes, draft article is 260. It is draft article 260, because memorize the things and figures should be the habit of every student, because you have the time of memorizing everything. There is a system of memorizing the things also, because in the primary education level in public schools, there are some laboratories where technique is going to be developed, that how a child can be memorized the things and what is the system. It is not a system of again to read, just like in Hindi it can be said that again and again, but there is a system of memorizing. Okay, then expert committee, what that expert committee has recommended, that is number 1, which was constituted on the 5th December 1947. The first point which the expert committee recommended, relation between union and state. It shall be the function relating to the financial relation in between the union and state. That shall be the function of whom? That shall be basically the function of the commission. It shall be the function of the commission. This is the number 1. Number 2, periodical review. It will require the periodical review. Always it will require the periodical review. Means time to time to require it, need to review it. The financial matter, not in whole financial year, but time to time. And it is a matter of finance and financial matters, because situation change, circumstances change. New the natural calamity may be there, natural problem may be there, increasing, decreasing, and other relating to this, I can say, the disturbances in particular place, international market, and other value of the goods, all these things. Therefore, this is the task of and the function of the Finance Commission. And the committee recommended, you have seen that in the year 1947, at the time of the framing of this constitution, the periodical review, because it is a matter related to the finance, to the money, to revenue. Once it has been written, that is not final. Therefore, this was the second. First was relation between financial relations, what kind of relation and what kind of distribution shall be there. It should be the duty of this Finance Commission function. That was the first recommendation. Second was the periodical review should be there, because reason behind it, and you have seen the region of belief and all these things. The reason is there why it can be done. Thirdly, high level tribunals should be constituted. The word used by the expert committee to constitute for the commission means for that financial matters, there should be high level tribunal. Use the high level tribunal, not the commission. And who shall be the member in that tribunal? Who shall be the chairman of that tribunal? That is the recommendation. Please don't confuse. Recommendation of expert committee. This is not historical aspect. This is the aspect which is very, very essential, have its authenticity to interpret the existing legal system. Therefore, the 5 members tribunal, high level tribunal should be there. It has recommended in 1947, and before in the processing of the making the constitution, in processing of the making the constitution. Then thirdly, under this third, who will be the chairman? The judicial officer had, the judicial officer means the having the qualification of High Court judge, shall be the chairman. It has been recommended by the expert committee, high level tribunal. And who will be the other members? The whole time work, because one thing which I have missed there, it is not compulsory that the Finance Commission shall be, according to the provision of 280 clause 4, what you have written, 3 and 3 is the duty and the 1 is divided. Full-time word is not written. It may be the part-time also. The temporary period may be there, and therefore that was the recommendation. But full-time Finance Commission should be there, and it has said that the 2 from the panel of the state government, the member in this, because only the Finance Commission, it is prescribed under 2A. Therefore, the representative of the province or state, it has recommended at that time, should be there in the Finance Commission. It has recommended because it is for the state also. The reason is that there is a distribution of the powers, financial powers in between the two, distribution of financial power, that is there. And thus the recommendation of the expert committee is that there should be the, basically of the 2 members there should be, and then 1 of the 5 should possess the close knowledge of the finance and accounts of the government. The person, the finance secretary, who was the finance secretary, he may be the member. Close knowledge. Law is very clear, categorical, explanatory. Every word is very clear. Therefore, the close knowledge, it has written that, see the language of the law, close knowledge of the finance as well as the basically of the accounts. Another should have the wide knowledge in economics. That was the recommendation. Wide knowledge, a comprehensive knowledge, a complete knowledge in economics. And you will say, sir, how it can be said that the X have the complete knowledge? Complete knowledge can be tested on the basis of his work which he has done earlier. Which he has done. How many the work he has done as a researcher, and what quality of his research is there, that is also the point, and how many posts he had hold. The wide knowledge, it shows the wide knowledge. Therefore the word is the wide knowledge of the, that there should be the wide knowledge in the economics. Then if they will public persons, it will be better. It has said that public persons means apart from the government, other persons. It may be the good researcher working in that area. It may be a person who is working in another NGOs who have the good and wide and comprehensive knowledge in that area. Public person. Who are the public person? This is the matter of discussion. Your discussion. Please go through it and then think over it. Then search the meaning of the words. The public person. It has written public person. Who is the public person? But not on the basis of your own idea, but on the basis of the legal dictionary meaning and the meaning explained by the competent court with support of some other law. Otherwise, if there is a observation of the court and that observation of without any support, it is called the per incurium, because there is no support. This has no authenticity to apply it in future. Support, it requires the support. Always support. That is the reference. And the appointment for the year of 5 years, that has already recommended. That has. And here in 280, you have seen the earlier also. Our word is there earlier. It means, as I have said, 1 day. And it may be the 364 days. All these things are there. The functions of the committee which has recommended by the expert committee to allocate the fund between the two organs of the country, that is the province and the union. At that time, 1947, the word was province, and they have used the word federal government because GOI was in force, that 1935, and there was the word the federal and all these things, and therefore in the 5th December 1947, after the independence of India, the word was used. And consider application for grants in aid from the, yesterday you have seen the grant in aid under article 115, 116, because please memorize your capacity also, and 205 and 206. Automatically when I am using these words, your memory should be clicked. I am aware about habit of the student. Some students' habit is very quick to capture the word, what the teacher is saying and what is written. Every place I have experience of various university. Immediately as it has said by the teacher, they are opening the books, they are just searching the net and verifying the words also, whether the teacher was right or wrong. Because today the technology is in your hand. You can search all these things and then apply your mind. Then it has said that grant in aid, whatever will be there, to consider and report on any matter referred to it by the president. That was the recommendation. Any other matter. As it has written where? It has written under clause 4 of the article 280. It has said, is indicating please, because of this aspect relating to this one, and that was the function which was recommended by expert committee on 5th December 1947, and a reference as I have given that you can see the CA debate, Constituent Assembly debate volume 9. If you will search, you will get the debate on article 260, because the 260 was the draft article. It was a draft article. Now it is 280, 281 and 260A. It has incorporated at that time in the draft constitution. Therefore, this is the Then, of course, the Dr. Ambedkar, who was the chairman of the draft committee, appreciated all these recommendations, including the argument as submitted, amendment is submitted by the Kunjuru, Kunzu, sorry, Kunzu, Kunju, one of the member was there in the draft committee. He had submitted some amendment and referred the matter of the other places, that is the Australian system, constitutional system, that was on the line of these all these requirements of 5 years should be there, and there should be the advisory committee and all these things. It has placed the amendment, and that was appreciated by the chairman of the draft committee, and it should be left president. But he said that we cannot guide each and everything to the executive, and thus it should be left to the president, and president shall decide what functions shall be given to the finance commission in future. That's why clause 4 is there under article 280. That was the statement of the chairman of draft committee, and it has said that because constitutional status of the finance commission is also there, but guidelines are also being given in the constitution, and the power was given to the parliament. That is fine, and this shows that the limitations of the finance commission is also there as per the debate given at that time. Now, finance, there is one, as I have said very quickly, I am entering into that part, but I will not take much time. The indication is here, and this will be the last portion of this second lecture. That is the finance miscellaneous within bracket, miscellaneous provisions Act 1951. The finance bracket starts because every bracket, comma, everything is there, but it is not possible to explain at the time of teaching. But some is very relevant to show and to interpret the object of the legislature. Therefore, I am using here the word that indication that it is written under the miscellaneous provision. Why it is written the miscellaneous provision? That's why I have cited there is a that bracket. Miscellaneous means the provisions are given in the constitution, but some provisions are left by the constitution makers, and these provisions comes within the purview of this act. That is the indication which shows the heading and title of the act. Miscellaneous provision is written in the top title. The finance, the commission, that is the miscellaneous provision, means provisions are given under the constitution, but some have left for the parliament to make the law, and the law has made. Therefore, these are only the miscellaneous provision. Otherwise, the provisions are there. What are these one? And of course, it is not repeat again and again. There are 8 sections. If I will not go in detail, please then search this act and go through the act also. And that is the basically of the Finance Commission Miscellaneous Provision Act 1950. Act number C, one thing is more to give attention, that it is written the act number in Roman, but at present there is tradition of the legislature to write the act number in numerical number. Earlier there was the tradition to write the number in Roman figure, in Roman words. That is the 33. What was the reason? The reason means that now the act are passing. One may be the reason that frequently the acts are going to be passed by the parliament frequently. Means the number of acts are more than that. Therefore, the numerical number is proper rather than the Roman figure, and therefore it is a act of 1951. Every aspect should keep in your mind, please. Roman figure is purpose. What was the purpose? Number one purpose, written in one single paragraph, a small single paragraph, but I have divided into three parts. The purpose number one is to determine the qualification, because it was written there. Determined by the where? Determined by the parliament it has been, and procedure should be, for own procedure it shall be framed by the commission itself, but the qualifications shall be determined by the parliament. It is written under the 81 sorry 280. That's why here the purpose is to determine the qualification, manner of selection. Qualification and manner selection. What will be the selection manner? It has not been given the power to the commission. How the commission will decide? It is a matter within the purview of the parliament. That's why the point number 2 is the manner of selection, and 3, to prescribe the power. To prescribe the power of that finance commission. That is the purpose. Then the definition clause and the name of this act is not divided into one, two, three clauses, as normally it is being divided in another act also. 1, 2, 3 name hoga, there will be the name, then it's basically the extension, means where it will be applied. Third will be the notification. It is a single paragraph. The name is there. The name you have seen, the Finance Commission miscellaneous provisions within bracket, because the other provision, and this may be called this, and that is the aspect of section 1 only. 2 is definition. Definition is also very small definition. In this act, commission means the finance commission constituted by the president, and the clauses pursuant to the clauses of the 280. It means the what will be the definition? Only single definition. Single. Who will be that? The commission. What will be the members who are? That is not written here. Only it has written that 280. It has referred to the 280. Section 3. Qualification and the manners of selection. What shall be the qualification and what shall be the manner of selection? That is also written here in the under this section 3 of this act. Then the another aspect of this 3, we say that there shall be the chairman, as I have said, that the expert committee, judge of the High Court, and have been the judge of the High Court, and have specialized wide knowledge. You have seen the written there, and the close knowledge, the knowledge of the finance and the accounts of the government. It is written, or the have had wide experience. This is also the same as expert committee recommended. Somehow same, not somehow it is not same, but it is similar. But the have special knowledge of the economics. Wide word is removed. Economic special word is included in the section. Then comparison of the expert committee report and the law framed by the parliament. That is your job. That is your job. Please, to compare the words which has been left. Why this has been left the special, and section 4 related to the personal interest of that member or the chairman should not be there in the matter which shall be assigned by the President of India. Economic and every kind of, the President's duty is to satisfy that there should not be any kind of interest of the members and the chairman in the matter.